Okay, today we're going to talk about our speakers in our RV. Nowadays, when they build the campers, they're not really putting a lot of effort into keeping things on the ceiling. So what will happen is the screws will strip out or pull loose in the ceiling. What I want to show you is a way to fix that. It's kind of an easy way. It doesn't take a whole lot of work to do it. Also, there's a few tips in there about screws and drilling holes over your head and everything like that. So let's get started and we'll knock this out. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to make these little squares, which are about 1.5 inches square. They are 1/4 inch OSB. Now what we're going to do with these is we're actually going to put them above the ceiling and glue them in. What we want to do is we want to make sure we kind of center them on the hole when we put them in there, so they'll look about like that when they're up inside the ceiling. It's a good idea to go around and try the blocks in all the holes and make sure that they fit all the way in. If you have a cross member that's close, as you can see right here, it doesn't go clear in. So what we have to do is we have to trim that down like that, and now it will fit in there like we want it to. Once we've got all of our pieces, we've tested them, they all fit good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take some wood glue and we are going to put wood glue on the backs of the plywood, and then we're going to take the plywood, we're going to hold it up off the ceiling up there, we're going to stick it in, center it on the screw, and as soon as we get lined up to the edge right there, we're going to push it down just like that. We're going to do that for all 4 screws. And you want to be kind of cautious when you do this. Make sure you put stuff down underneath your area where your speaker is, because what will happen, I don't know if you can see it in the video or not, but the glue will actually come out of the screw holes and drip down. Just like that. You also want to be careful because there could be other wires up in here. You know, make sure you get them out of the road if there is, like them right there. Line up our piece of wood and glue it down. Now we're going to let this sit overnight and let this glue dry. You want to go through and do all of your speaker holes that you need to do. Okay, we've let everything sit overnight. Now it's time to start putting everything back together. The first tip is when you drill these holes, you want to make sure that you don't go too far in. So what's a good idea to do is to put the drill bit up here and see about how far up in it needs to go. It needs to go about that far up in. Take a piece of masking tape and put it on the drill bit like that. And when the masking tape hits the ceiling, then you know that you're up as far as you need to go. Okay, another tip, if you want to drill these holes and try not to make a mess, what you can do is take a styrofoam cup and cut it, put it over the drill bit, so when you're drilling, all of the shavings go inside the cup. Now I'm drilling a 3/32 pilot hole in all of my holes here. Okay, all the holes are drilled. I don't know if you can see or not, but the sawdust is inside the styrofoam cup. Okay, now that you've got the pilot holes drilled, the next step is to put the speaker back together and put it back up into the speaker hole, like so. Take your screw and get one screw started in here. That'll help hold the speaker up. Now, a tip, anytime you have a fastener in a camper, lots of times fasteners will come loose. So what I do is I take my silicone rubber and I put it on the threads of the screw. And what this does is it acts like Loctite on the screw. Once this silicone dries, then the screw will be in there tight and it won't vibrate loose. That's generally why they come loose, is because of vibration. And get it started up in there. The silicone actually will help lubricate also when you put the screws back up in. And this will work on any screw that you've got in your camper. You can even put it in the hole, kind of squirt it down in the hole, and then put the screw back in, tighten it up. The really cool thing about the silicone is if you ever have to take the screw back out, it'll come right back out. The silicone will basically unadhere and let it come out. So you got the last one here with the silicone on it. Get it up in there. Now I'll just take and run the screws up in, snug them down, and we'll be good to go. Okay, I'm gonna run these up. You want to make sure you don't over tighten them. Just run them up till they're snug. And there you have it. Your speaker's in solid and not falling out. Okay, that's how we fix the ceiling speakers so they don't fall out and come loose. I hope this helped you out as far as repairing your stereo speakers in the ceiling, and also the tips on fasteners and everything. I hope you can use that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.